everybody, this is Hoang,
At zero?
and today we're going to talk about how to play purple with a guide plus deck profile. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about purple's general play style. Purple is one of the more versatile colors in the Digimon card game, and there are three different approaches you can go with in the color purple. You have the Rookie Rush style, the more mid-range style, and a slow control variant. Secondly, purple has a large amount of removal in its arsenal. Cards such as Trump Sword on the screen allow purple to deal with large threats, and it also has retaliation, which we'll get more into detail later on. In addition, purple also has a number of cards that use the trash zone in their skills.
Next, let's talk about the mechanics that are unique to purple. First off, we have retaliation. This is a mechanic that allows your Digimon to take your opponent Digimon with it when it gets deleted in combat. It's a very powerful skill which allows your Digimon to kill Digimon that are stronger than it in battle. Along with retaliation, purple also has a number of skills that activate it when the Digimon is sent to the trash. As you can see, this is great synergy with retaliation, as you can use your Digimon to trade with more powerful Digimon and then also gain benefit when they get sent to the trash. Last and not least, Purple is able to play Digimon from the trash using a variety of skill. This adds a layer of recursion to the deck on top of the previous two mechanic being very synergistic. As you can see, this deck has a lot of synergy between all of the cards.
Speaking of playing cards from the trash, we are going to talk about our unique cards in purple. And first off, we have Piedmon. Piedmon is a Digimon that when you play it for the full 12 cost, you get to revive 2 level 4 or lower purple Digimon from your trash. Currently in the game, this is the only Digimon that generates 3 bodies with a single card counting itself. The next card that we're going to talk about is Venomyotismon. Venomyotismon generates you, the player, +1 memory whenever your opponent's Digimon is suspended. This can be done either through attacks, blocking, or other means, such as Green's Flower Cannon if you wanted to do a little bit of mixing. And also, Venomyotismon gets +1 security attack and is a 12k body, which is really significant in the 1.0 meta. Up next, we have a fan favorite from Digimon Tamer series, Beelzemon. Beelzemon is, when you digivolve into this card, you can delete a level 4 or lower Digimon. And the really cool part about this, and this is a throwback to the show, Beelzemon can directly digivolve onto Impmon whenever you have 10 or more cards in your trash. This is one of 2 Digimon that check the total amount of trash that you have during the game, the other one being Lilithmon. Lilithmon states, whenever you have 10 or more in trash, you're able to grab back 2 option cards. And you may be wondering, what do you do with the option cards? Well, Lilithmon gives you +2 memory whenever you cast an option. So you can make free Night Raid, or you can turn cards like Darkness Claw into a Vulcan Hammer, for example. Lilithmon's a really cool card, and so we have a deck list coming up for you guys.
So this is Lilithmon Control. It is a deck that focuses on getting to Lilithmon and using her extra memory skill to gain tempo and advantage from your options. The rest of your cards support the strategy by either drawing cards or destroying your opponent Digimon. Cards such as Tapomon and Gabumon allow you to generate hand advantage when they die, and then cards like Devimon and Chimeramon are focused on destroying your opponent Digimon, allowing you to maintain a stable board for your Lilithmon to grind out the game. This list is different from your typical rookie focus build that Purple is generally known for. It's a slightly different playstyle that I suggest people try out to see the variety of way that Purple can approach to winning the game.
With all that said, let's do some closing thoughts. Purple in the English format of 1.0 is a really strong color and is most likely going to be a top contender alongside Fast Omegamon due to the amount of BT3 support it also got.
And we personally think the Rookie Rush variant of Purple will be the deck that see the most success.
With all that said, thank you guys so much for your support and hope that you guys come to see our next video. Thank you.
Thank you.